Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here to do our little giveaway drawing for this Season of the Witch challenge that was hashtag rtcseason. If you guys haven't checked it out already, definitely do that. I will link all the relevant information, including playlist, hashtags to follow, people to follow, down below, because I will put everybody who participated in the challenge this year, who finished the challenge, I'll put that all down there. There were a couple of people who didn't finish, but they still made really, really cool stuff, so I definitely recommend checking out the hashtag here on YouTube, and then also on Instagram, because people were also crafting over there. But you guys, this challenge was so freaking fun, and I got to do something a little bit different and a little bit extra, and I had a really good time. I will still be posting a tutorial on how to put together the envelope book, so if you did craft along with me and you're waiting for that, it is coming. I've already recorded it, I just have to voice over it, and then, you know, we'll be able to put our books together, and then when I finish the cover for my book, I will do a flip through, and we'll go back over everything that we made, and we'll get to see the final product, and it'll be amazing, cool, awesome, cool. But also, how many times will I say cool in this one video? We'll find out. I just want you guys to know, a little heads up, okay? Nobody panic, but your girl is tired, okay? I'm a little bit tired, so I'm gonna take a little break. But it won't be a forever break, and you guys probably won't even really feel it outside of missing a story craft in between, because I already have a bunch of like unboxings and like low energy stuff coming up, including that tutorial, because like I said, I only have to do the voiceover, so a bunch of videos will still be coming out. I just won't be doing any extra crafting in the time, and then I'll be back in October, and we'll get more spooky season, more witchy goodness going, so do not panic. I'm just taking a little step back because I'm tired. Really tired. Doing 3 challenges 3 months in a row is a lot of work, but I've enjoyed every minute of it, so no regrets. I'm just gonna take a break before I hit burnout, because we still have Povember to do, and I don't want to be tired when we go into Povember, so I'm gonna take a little break. And so, without further ado, what I want to say is a big thank you to everybody who participated, everybody who commented, liked, subscribed. You guys are the coolest, you're the best, and I really appreciate you for that. This challenge was particularly very fun for me, so I think of the 3 challenges that I've done in this quarter's last half of the year, this one I'll definitely be bringing back to do next year, because I think we can do some more Season of the Witch stuff next year too. I think that'll be fun. The Goblin Mode one was a little bit more specific, because I was making a Goblin journal. I'm still finishing it, but like, I don't think I'll be finishing it next year too, hopefully. So yeah, I don't think that one will be coming back. And then I don't know about Art Witch August. It just depends on if I have le motivation, but I do always have motivation for witchy stuff. So we'll be bringing Season of the Witch back next year for sure. And then to the people who participated, you guys are amazing. And I'm just going to list off the people who finished, because there were also people who didn't finish, and I don't want to like confuse everybody, but everybody who participated and made the video is like attached to the playlist, whether or not they finished. And then some people are still wrapping up, which is totally okay. If you are still working on it, I would still love to see what you make, so make sure you tag me so I can see it. But big shout out to I Craft for Your Protection, hedberg.anna, and Sylvia D. They posted up on Instagram. Sylvia D did make a post on her YouTube too, so I will link both of her socials down below. And then on YouTube specifically, Odds and Ends, that's Audrey Mystical Misty 1, Petey Pie Designs, Gwen the Trash Witch, Bex at Black Whisper Crafts, and Amethyst Raven all made really cool videos. Everybody did such fun, amazing things. There were stories, there were like personal projects, there were great tutorials. Like, it was really, really fun, really, really cool, and just an amazing time. So I loved every minute of it, and I think I'm properly ready to do some proper witching in the Season of the Witch. So without further ado, because I keep saying that and we're not actually, there's more ado. Let's pick a winner. So I'm doing a little giveaway winner. So when I pick your name, I will of course tag you in the video so that you know to come check it out. But send me a message. I will put all my socials and relevant contact spaces. They're all in the description. If you don't already know how to get a hold of me, it'll be down there. And then I'll get your prize over to you. And this isn't like a competition. I want to make it very clear. It's just people who participated. You go in the cup. So if you finish a challenge, you go in the cup. And we have the cup of victory here. It's a little sloth cup. And we're going to pick somebody out of here. Let's see. This feels like a lucky one. This is scrap paper that I stamped on. Hold on, here we go. So it's hedberg.anna. It's not in focus. There we go. So, Anna, reach out to me on Instagram. I believe that's where you are. And I will figure out how to get your prize to you. So, congratulations. You won. So everybody, give Anna her props down in the comments below. Make sure you go check out what she did over on Instagram. It was really, really cool. And that's like the 12th time I've said cool. So I'm going to jump out of here. I've had a lot of coffee, guys, so we're a little bit high vibe right now. But thanks again, you guys, for participating and for joining in. And like I said, there's still going to be videos coming up. I'm just not going to be crafting for like a little tiny space of time to give myself a little breather before we hit October and do all the stuff there. But if you haven't already, if you're wanting more from me, you can check out my Patreon. I actually posted a bunch of cool crafty things there, and I'm going to continue posting cool crafty things there. We did some really fun stuff, and some more fun stuff is coming up. So don't miss it. Check out my Patreon. That is also linked down below. I have a bunch of different tiers with a bunch of different options and cool things. And digitals. All the things over there. That's my promotion for the day, and I'm gonna bounce. You guys have a great time. I appreciate your faces so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel and supporting my art. It really means a lot to me. And that's gonna be it until next time, guys. Happy crafting. Bye. Congratulations, Anna.